Okay, let's take a look at this shroud, because this was kind of difficult. So we got this, I guess you call it a rocker arm. So I've already taken it off. Ooh, everything's falling off, but I want to show you how I got it off first. Okay, so over here, this guy was like, it connected to the two pieces, and the arm connected to the center. Same thing over here is this arm, and I think they're the same. Yeah, they don't look any different. Right there, and then this long arm connected to the center. Then, oh, I've lost everything. So then this guy came off. See that? And then this one, which is simply on with one, that came off like that. Getting there.